Tutorial for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through how to use the scheduling feature in Connecteam. Whether you run a small cafe, a retail shop, or a cleaning service, this guide will help you get your team organized without the chaos of texts, calls, or last-minute surprises. We'll be using a small coffee shop called Brew and Go as our example. Now let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing you'll need to do is create an account. So you're going to go over to connecteam.com, and from there you can tap on Start 14-day free trial. You can actually sign up for completely free using your email address or Google account. Once you have created your account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And the first thing we'll need to do is add our team members. Now, to add team members, you have two options. You could either select users from the top left hand corner, or you could tap on Add User right below Quick Actions. After tapping on that option, you can fill in the user or your team member's name, and you can also add in a phone number right here. So let me add in a phone number real quick. After you have added in their phone number, you can continue adding in more team members. Once we are finished doing that, you could tap on Send Invite and then tap on Confirm, or I'll simply tap on Confirm right here to add this particular team member. Now, after adding the team member, what I want you to do next is you're going to simply go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select users once more. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to see the user that you have created. And you'll also see some sample users right here. So we're going to tap on our team member's name and pay attention to the left-hand column. From here, you could add in their email address, and you can also add in their birthday, so they'll automatically receive a message from you whenever it is their birthday. So you can set it up and this platform will automatically send out a message to them. So let me add in a birthday real quick. Let's say, for example, this person was born on January 1st, 2001. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can also select their gender and you could add in their role. So for example, let's say he is a cashier and we'll select his employment start date, and you can also select the team that he's on and the branch that he'll be working. After doing that, you could also tap on department and you could select the department right here. And I'll be showing you how to create different departments, as none of those departments relate to the example that I'm doing. So I'll be showing you how to create different departments. Another thing that you can also do is you can edit their full-time policy, as you can see right here. By tapping on the three dots, you could tap on update, and from here you could edit this option. Once you're finished doing this, what I want you to do next is you're going to be opening the scheduling tool. To open the scheduling tool, you'll go over to the left-hand column and you're going to simply scroll down until you see the option Job Scheduling. You're going to tap on Job Scheduling. Then you're going to tap on Go to Scheduling. After you have tapped on Go to Schedule, from here all you'll need to do now is go over to the left-hand column and you can select the member that you would like to edit their schedule. So for instance, we're going to be selecting Omar right here. So you have Omar Bex and we'll be able to add something. So let's say, for example, he'll be working Tuesday. You can tap on Add Shift. So you'll tap on Add the plus right there. After you have done that, you could give the shift a title. Once you have given the shift a title, you can choose what time it will be starting. So for example, his shift will start at 6 a.m. and it will be ending at, let's say, for example, 1 p.m. After doing that, you can choose whether it repeats or not, or if it does not repeat, you can also add a break. And you can scroll down and you can also add their job role. So you could tap on Edit List and you could put in cashier right there. Another thing you can also do is scroll down, and if you want to add any notes or any attachments, you can add it right there. And the beautiful thing about Connecteam is it allows you to create a template. So instead of repeating the thing that you're adding right here or better yet the task, you could simply tap on Save As Template and you'll be able to use it. Another thing that you can do, you could tap on Shift Task and you can add a task right here. So for instance, you could add cover espresso training today, or like restocking cups or so on. You can add in different shift tasks right here that you'll allow them or you want them to complete. So you can add in different shift tasks as you can see right there. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Publish and you can see that it has now been added. And you can add different tasks and you can also set up the schedule for your different workers right here. Now, after doing this, what I want you to do next is you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on your profile name. Then you're going to select Settings. After selecting Settings, from here you could edit your company information. You can also tap on Logo and Colors from the left hand column. And you could tap right where you see Connecteam. And then from there, you could add in your own logo. So let's say, for example, I would like to add in that picture as a logo. I could select the picture. And you can see right there that the logo has changed. Another thing that you could do, you could tap on Admin Permissions and you could edit this. You can also tap on Company Info. And from here, you'll be able to add the different branches. So you could tap on Branch 3. And you could put in your branch location. You can also add in the manager. So you could select the manager or you could tap on Add Admin and you could add an admin. You can tap on Branch 2 and you could add in the location again. When it comes on to department, you can tap right where you see department right there. And from there, you could edit it if you want. And another thing that you can also do is by going over to the left hand menu option, you can edit your feed settings and also your welcome screen, and you can also set up two-factor authentication and numerous other users and devices options that you can add right there. Now, once you're finished doing this, what I want you to do next is you're going to close out of this. After closing out of this, some standout features that I should recommend when it comes onto Connecteam, for example, if you were to select the time clock, with the time clock, persons will be able to clock in, and Connecteam's time clock integrates with the schedule. So when, for example, Amar clocks in on Tuesday, it will match his shift time, and you can even enable GPS tracking to confirm location. This is especially helpful if you run a cleaning service, for example, or delivery team where people work at multiple locations. And also, one cool feature that I should mention is if you accidentally assign two shifts at the same time to the same person, Connecteam will flag it for you. So no more double booking your staff by accident. And also, when it comes onto viewing and exporting, you can print or export a schedule too in PDF or Excel form, which is great for keeping a physical copy in the break room or sharing with managers. Now let's go over some other standout features of Connecteam. For instance, you can tap on Chat from the left-hand column, and from here you'll be able to keep in communication with your team members by simply tapping on Go to Chat. You can also set up an FAQ section by tapping on Knowledge Base right there. You'll be able to set up a knowledge base that team members will be able to go into to find information that is typically asked by workers. You can also create forms, as you can see forms from the left hand column. And another thing, if you would like to add more operations, you could tap on Add New. Then we could select Communication, and you can see the different options that you can add right there. Whether you like to set up quizzes, courses, or recognition, there are numerous options that you can set up when it comes onto Connecteam. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.